Good day guys. In this video I'm going to show you how to clone a GitHub repository. Now my GitHub repository is Fix My Code Challenge. So I go to my GitHub, go to your GitHub account, which is github.com. then this is a list of projects I've done. So I want to create a new repo. I go to here and click on new repo. Once I click on new repo, it will give me an option to know what's the repository name. So I have to go to the project, back to the project, and copy the repo name, which is Fix My Challenge. I copy it. After copying it, I go back and paste it where the repo name is, and this is my repo name. This repository already exists in this account. That means it's telling me that I have this repo before. Okay, let me clean it up and to know where the repo existed before. Okay, it's because I already here. What happened was that I have already created the repo before. That's why it was saying the new it has existing repo, and see the repo here. I have already created it already before. That is why it told me that yeah, my repo name already exists. So in your own case, if you want to create a repo, just come to this place, you click on and paste it there, then write the description of the repo. Once you are done, you now click on create repo. And once you create repo, you now have to look for a token. Me, since I already have my repo already created, I'll just go and look for my token. So when you are looking for token, you have to, for the repo, you have to come to settings, click on settings. Once you click on settings, you now go to where you will find developers. I think it's still down, developer settings. You go to where to find developer settings, click on it. One thing you have to know is that as you create your repo, the repo needs a personal token. So you have to create that personal token, and I advise you create the personal token by using token classic. Click on this token classic because these fine grains usually give problems. So token classic is the best. So click on it. Once you click on it, you now go to generate your new token. Here you come and look for the general new token classic, which is this. Click on it. Once you click on it, it will now say you should sign in. You sign in with your password, which you already have at your GitHub account. Signing in on, then yes, it will sign you in now. So once it signs you in, now here you can decide to look for the particular days you want your token to last. For me, I choose 90 days. Then once you choose, you now like tick in the necessary repo details, click all of them. Once you are done, this is just to make sure that your token is created. So you have to click all this. If you want, you might select the ones you might need to click on, but me, I usually click everything so that I don't have anything left out. So after that, I generate my token. So once you generate your token, oh, it says that here the token here, the notes don't have to be blank, so you just choose. Maybe I can just type Fix My Challenge token, my challenge I just put my repo name, and I just put the token, as in it just needs you to write a note. He said the note cannot just be blank, so you have to do that before you now generate the token. So once it has been generated, you now come and copy the token. This is your token now. You copy it. So once you have copied it, you paste it somewhere that you know it can be safe. So me, I usually use Microsoft Word to paste all my tokens. I paste all my tokens here so that I don't lose any of them. So let me name this one as my fix my challenge token. Then I paste the token here. Remember that you still have to paste your repo. That's the repo link, and to get that repo link, usually once you create your repo, it will give you your repo link. But me, my own has already been created, so for me to get my repo link, I have to go back to my GitHub. Sorry about that. My GitHub. I have to go back to my GitHub and go home. I go to where my repo is. Show more. That's fixed my code challenge. In your own case, when you create your repo, it will give you the link automatically. So, but me, because I already have my repo created already, I come to code and see my link here, my link of the repo that needs to be cloned. So I've copied it. Once I copy it, I come to the Microsoft Word and paste it where I created my token, so that I can clone all of them at once. So I first pick this. Let me just, since it's already copied, let me just go there and paste it on my Git. That's on my work area. So once you have all these things, okay, I want to refresh my sandbox so that I can show you. So cd, you know how to do this, cd/root, take it to the root directory. Then now, this is software engineering, so I believe you know the basics. After that, you now want to clone your repo. Git. To clone your repo, you click on Git. You type git clone. When you type git clone, you paste your repo address here, paste it here. Then your repo token will be pasted around this place as https / then you put your repo token exactly around here, So I go to where I have my repo saved token, come here, copy it. After copying it, I will now paste it here. You see it. Once you have finished pasting it, you have to put @ you have to add @ once you put it's now okay. So to clone it right away, you now have to enter. You see, cloning into fixing my code challenge, and that's all. But assume if you are creating a new repo, it will not say cloning into this, it will tell you cloning into an empty repository. But because I already have my repo, that's why it's saying cloning into fix my code challenge. So that is it. Then once you are done, the next thing you do, you have to go back and go to, you have to git config, the usual. I have to come here and paste your git config. This is, you copy it and paste your git config. You know how to paste your git config now. So come here, paste it, your git config. Yeah, you put your email address, your own email address. This is mine, don't put mine, you just put your own email address. And so this is my email address, I just paste it. Then I go back and take the other ones for the username, git config, username, this is software engineering, copy, and I also paste it here. My username is, use the, is 11, that's all. Then that is all. Then what I do next is I now enter into my repo. Now go to the project, this is my repo, enter it. It will now give you what you want. Where is my sandbox? This is my sandbox. Okay, paste it here. You see, it goes to my repo. Then what I do, I create my directory, copy, paste your directory. mkdir is the code to create your directory. Then put your directory there. That I've created a new directory, so and now cd is change directory, change to this directory, and paste. So I am into this directory. So you can see I will create, let me create a readme, which is important. Anytime you are creating a new repo and directory, you create a readme folder file. It's a must. So I've created my readme. I post, anything can be in your readme. So far, just make sure that there's something there. I can just put the year 2024 and post the directory there. That's all. Move out. This is my readme. So I'm done. So what I do, I just do git add git commit -m. Then you can put anything, maybe challenge. Okay, then git push. So that's done. Your repo, your directory has been created, and you can now do your project right away. So I advise you, if this video is very valuable, share the video, like it, and expect you to come back to my channels for more. Thank you, and I hope you click the subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.